Make sure you put pipeline, giving them the device.
You want a solution or you want to come to do a different?
Boss, last 15 days it is going in the river.
That is what I'm asking.
आणि तू होईला नाही येता, तू येता इन्स्पेक्शन करता आणि आमदार आणक मुटा. That is your main intention.
कोण आमदार आडमन
Your intention is cruel intention. किती बोलत तू?
हाय आमदाराकडे तू आता येईल ना?
ते सोड रे, हाव येईल तू करू.
बघा झालं तू.
See, there is another STP plant coming at Khareban जे dropping हा दिंगा. तू पयर inspection कोण घेऊन गेला? बाणाले सगळे तुगे थिंग तुझे बरे येल्ले. तू त्यांक सांगितले वेनचे आपण नाक म्हणून. So your intention is wrong. Your intention is wrong. Anyway, गाडी माता तू बोल.
गाडी माता तू म्हणल्या.
कितो माता
कोणा मारल्या कोणा मारल्या गाडी कोणा मारल्या रे कोणा मारल्या रे सांग बरे कोणा मारल्या
अरे चोरे जोकी मुळा बुरको व्हिडिओ
दाखव बरे
I will show you.
आता दाखव बरे आता दाखव बरे आता
I will file a complaint if I want.
फाईल मॅन हू स्टॉप फ्रॉम
गाडी मारून तू
दाखव बरे मग
दाखव रे दाखव
दाखव घराकडे येऊ तू बघू
गारागा तू कोण
बाई दाखव बरे तू आता एलिगेशन करतो दाखव
एलिगेशन नो इट इज इन पब्लिक बरे
दाखव बरे मग
अरे बाबा
किती बोलता रे
जोकी हो
जने में
जोकी
जोकी जोकी असता लेगा जोकी यार
अब
यार जोकी आप देखा
ते सांग पाहिजे ते अंडा हे रे त्याचा ट्रान्सफर
tell me now what I claim here for it is the operational fault of the operator of the plant. It should not go out. It's a simple thing which you have to let me speak. Let me do my work. You do your work.
Why you should not go? Why are you lying to the minister?
It will not go.
जब आपने ओवरफ्लो बना के रखा है, सुनो मेरी बात, ओवरफ्लो का मतलब क्या है? टैंक भर गया तो ओवरफ्लो में चला जाएगा. आपने पंपिंग सिस्टम तो नहीं बना के रखा है, तो why you are falsifying to the minister? Let him go with the correct message.
Let him explain. He is the designer of the plant. He will explain.
15 years झाले ते overflow. In case a major failure is there and the city should not overflow because that sewerage line is there. You have chambers.
मेरे भाई ये 15 दिन से अभी सीवेज नहीं जा रहा है. इज दिस नॉट अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम? इसलिए आपका ओवरफ्लो से जा रहा है ना, खेत में जा रहा है, खेत में से रिवर में जा रहा है ना.
अरे व्हाट यू आर सेइंग एब्सोल्युटली राइट. वी आर नॉट डिनाइड द फैक्ट. हु हैज राइट? अरे राव सांगता
तब आपने क्यों नोटिस
अरे व्हाट आई एम
आपको पंप डालना है. कल मैंने बताया पंप डालो.
अरे बाबा
कैसे बाहर जा रहा है?
अरे दैट इज व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. नो ऑपरेशनल फॉल्ट ऑफ द प्लांट ऑपरेटर इज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू यू. नॉट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड. ही विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू.
15 दिन के 2 टैंक फुल है. 2 टैंक फुल है 15 दिन से. ठीक है, तो ये 20 mld तो भर ही जाएगा.
After 4 hours it is decanting.
It is not decanting because there is no parts. No, there is no parts.
One is working. No,
one is working, but then one decant होने के बाद उसमें से उसमें नहीं जा रहा.
One is treating 10 mld. One should treat 10 mld.
Treat is okay.
अरे treat is okay. That is the meaning. He is saying no treat because raw sewage. अरे then he will explain to you. He will show it to you. No, it is possible. He is saying, are you the engineer? He is the engineer of the designer.
Plant is there. Half plant. Suppose one basin is in maintenance. One pillar basin is working, so it should treat 10 mld. The flow to the plant is only 6-7 mld.
Full day.
वो तो ठीक है 6 mld. But there are 2 tanks. एक टैंक का तुझे कोई लेता 330 होता. सेकंड टैंक का होता. ये जाने के लिए आपका एक टैंक का पार्ट्स नहीं है. आप कैन नॉट डू दैट ट्रांसफर. ठीक है.
इंडिपेंडेंट.
एक सेटलिंग है, एक एरिएशन के लिए. करेक्ट ना. सो नाउ द पार्ट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ द पार्ट्स बोथ योर टैंक्स आर फुल. आपका
no. You are wrong. See, one part has failed. I don't say no. One part has failed. One is working. One is working. One is working.
Which is the part which has failed?
See, there are decanter has failed. No, so there are.
So what happens when a decanter is
listen,
failed?
you're not listening, Venzi.
I'm asking you.
Don't ask. I'm telling you. See, the plant is designed.
Decanter fails already.
ऐक रे मग तू ऐकपाक रेडी ना. नाला तू तुला हा ऐक ना. हा ऐकता. तू ऐकपाक रेडी ना. त्याच्या ऐकपा ना. जो इंजिनियर आला to explain the entire situation, what has happened, and to find a solution, and it should not happen. He himself is saying it should not happen. That is the problem. The operator of the plant, he is explaining to you. No, you're not trying to understand. That's what I'm trying to. That's what I'm telling you to understand what it is. See what he is saying. This plant is designed for 20 mld. The entire sewerage coming here on this plant is 6.5 mld. Right now, that is what he's trying to show. So what is this? He says to be a 24-hour operation. One is आप बोलो अभी उसके बाद बोलो कैसा सेटल होता है, कितना बार यूज होता है, कितना साइकिल रहता है एक टैंक में.
How many ml? Only 1 ml.
SOS it is.
And this tank should always be empty.
Should be always be empty.
100%.
Yes, because somebody was not operated or is not operated properly. The tank was full. That should not be the case. It should be always empty.
Good.
And so the incoming sewage, by the time it gets settled and decant, there is the storage available.
In case there is a failure.
So Once that, by the time it decants and this thing, that MLD, one
No,
MLD.
now you tell him that decantation was 6.5 MLD, what is coming. Process, as you said, in the peak and non-peak time.
Yes.
What is the cycle for one? You just tell him what.
Peak, you know, in
How much MLD comes
3
here?
hours, it's around 2 MLD flowing down.
That's all, 2 MLD in 3 hours.
2 MLD. One time if you decant, it's almost 2-3 MLD.
So what went wrong?
Operation.
See what I'm
That's what he's trying to explain to you.
I am telling you is it should always be empty.
This should be always be
Either
empty.
it is a plant right
What
now.
went wrong? That it was not empty and the sewage went
Now,
out.
can I
What
tell
went
all he
wrong?
wants to tell you?
No,
Tell him,
tell him.
openly you
It
tell
was
him.
not
I have
pumped
already
again.
heard a version what went wrong. I want to hear his version.
It was not pumped properly
What was not from
because it was not operated in the night.
Suraj is not pumped in for settling.
No, it did not get pumped. Why?
Because there is not pump, no?
बुलाओ उसको बुलाओ
He is here only.
ऑपरेशनल इंचार्ज आता
He is in charge of the plant.
दूसरा हैदराबाद अब he is the one.
Arjun.
Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.